Hi, here I'm going to show you how to put together the kids cleaning set 4-piece. This set comes with a broom, a mop, a brush, and a dustpan, and it is great for realistic functionality cleaning play for your toddler. My toddler loves to clean with me, and so I purchased this set for her to have her own cleaning supplies and clean with mommy. She loves playing with this every single day and loves to clean right by my side. This mop can be adjusted for different heights for your toddler and comes with a detachable mop head that is machine washable. This cleaning play set can be used for realistic functionality, and your toddler can learn how to clean right by your side. If you are looking for a cleaning play set, I highly recommend this one. It is very durable and very nice.